Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't we just wake up to where everything is run by AI? Is this the Matrix, anyone? And before I get attacked, I'm being sarcastic. So, I mean everything from the clothes that we wear to the water we drink. So, is this a real problem or just another dramatic internet moment? Spoiler alert, it might be a little more complicated than that. Here's a quick background, quick, simple, easy to understand, no hot sauce needed. So I watched this video for in the New York Times where a reporter went 48 hours without AI. Sounds simple, doesn't it? But the reporter realized that even something as simple as brushing your teeth is basically machine learning. Water, the design, the manufacturing, the distribution, street cameras, AI. Your car, AI. The radio, AI. Even the groceries decide which cereal goes on the shelf. Yep, that's also AI. And honestly, I only survived around 12 minutes thinking about it before I basically just said, this is too much. Let me just move on. Why does this matter to you? Here's the wild part. AI is not choosing your TikTok, Facebook, or your Netflix feed. It also is helping score college essays, approving rental applications, flagging mortgage documents, predicting your shopping habits, and deciding which ad follows you around like a stage 5 clinger. Psycho bitch, anyone? So yeah, this affects your life, your neighborhood, and even that dream home with a questionable HOA fees you swear you're gonna definitely buy one day. Spoiler alert, I have something significantly better for you. And while the United States cannot decide whether to regulate AI because they are afraid China might outpace us, Texas is over here saying, actually, let's slow down this and think about it. Meanwhile, researchers are warning that AI could widen the gap between the rich and the poor. Fun times, isn't it? It's just crazy how the world works now. But here is where it hits home. Port San Antonio just pitched a plan to build a massive Air Force cyber and electronic warfare campus within the next 4 to 6 years. Translation: San Antonio is positioning itself as a major player in the AI race. And yes, this could shape it from everything from jobs to traffic, even from property values. If the future belongs to whomever masters AI, San Antonio is stepping into the arena with boxing gloves on, and they're saying Mama's gonna knock you out. So let me ask you, are we racing toward a smarter future or accidentally entering the matrix? And more importantly, how do you feel about AI shaping everything from your morning commute to your next home search? Drop your thoughts below, hit that follow button, and if AI is telling you it's your turn to enter the matrix and buy a new home, feel free to reach out.